I am S.P. Shah, President of the Federation of Automobile Dealers Association. I am very happy to be here in Hyderabad to participate in the inauguration of Auto Expo exhibition, which is organized by Talwar family. The main feature of this auto show is to exhibit maximum possible products for the benefit of a common man. Almost all the cars are exhibited. Almost all the two-wheelers are exhibited. Customer can get a choice to see the variety of cars and the two-wheelers available. Then he can decide what he wants to buy. This, I would say, is a one-stop shopping. People will have an advantage of selecting what he likes. Our organization, Federation of Automobile Dealers Association, is very active to support almost all the dealers who decides to have a similar show in the respective cities, because all cities are developing very fast. Especially Hyderabad is playing a very important role for the future development, and Hyderabad will play a very important role because the large number of rich people are staying, large number of aggressive people are staying, and IT industry is also developing very fast. We all feel the dealer's responsibility is to reduce accident and reduce pollution, which is safety. So our association has decided to start a new drive during the current year to introduce safety certification program to check the cars as well as for brakes and pollution. Today there is no law in the country for inspection of the brakes or certification. The law is only for the commercial vehicles. So we as a dealer and the manufacturer have decided to start a voluntary inspection certification program. This is the unique program by which a customer will pay 500 rupees, but when he goes for the insurance renewal, he will get a rebate. So customer will not pay anything, but he will have a safe car to drive. He will not kill himself, nor even kill anybody else. So this is the program we would like to promote. Here, advantage for him, whenever he is driving car, he is confident that car is safe and he will not pay anything for it. Dealer's biggest advantage is he will contribute for the safety of the people as well as earn revenue by repairing the brakes and the shock absorber. So this is a win-win situation for a dealer and a customer. We in FADA are very keen that we should move this matter all over the country and be part and parcel for the safety program for the nation. Thank you.